ಸೊಸೈಟಿನ ಇದು
ಅದು ಒಂದು ಅಮರ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಅದರೊಳಗೇನೆ
ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಮರ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ?
ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಅಮರ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಸರ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಮರ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು that became model for all fraud registration sir.
ನೋಡಿ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯರಿ
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್. ILR 1994 KR 2115 given by GP Shiva Prakash, who is allotee of the site, who became Upalokaita, who started investigation. Later Venkatachala hushed up the scam. Now what does this order says of the High Court GP Shiva Prakash? Filed by Karnataka State Judicial Employees House Building Cooperative Society Limited versus State of Karnataka. Circular by Commissioner, questioning the circular by Commissioner for Registration and Stamps dated 17/5/94. Release of sites anta ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. Release of sites allotted in private layout sanctioned by BDA and so ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ ಅದು registrations were stopped in 94, if you can recall. All registrations sir of the housing societies, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಸೈಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಮದರ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್. While dismissing that, quashing that prohibition order of registration, or what the court says, there is no provision in the BD Act enjoining that. This court in WP so and so of 1990, while considering the question of issue of release of certificate by BDA for the purpose of allotments by society, has ruled that after the formation of the layout, in accordance with the layout sanctioned by the BDA, and after society has executed the relinquishment deed, relinquishing its title and interest over the roads, parks, playgrounds, open spaces, etc. in the layout form in favor of the BDA, there was no question of releasing the sites by the BDA for the purpose of allotment by the society. Since the layout in so and so question by the cooperative society, this became a model judgment. And what is shown in your report by the officers that only 68 acres is illegally grabbed in the housing society is a big fraud. In judicial
interest over the roads, there was no question of releasing the sites by the BDA for the purpose of allotment of the society. You release
if the layout is approved, that is underlining. If the layout is approved,
ಇರೋದು ನಿಯಮಗಳು ಹಾಗಿದೆ.
If the layout is
following the
ಇವಾಗ ತಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಯಾವುದು ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಗೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ಆಲ್ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಆರ್ಡಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 30 acres is it an illegally acquired property? Then can anybody file a complaint against as per this?
ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್,
ವೆರಿ 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 ಸೀರಿಯಸ್.
ಇದನ್ನ ತಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಇಂಚ್ ಜಮೀನು ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.